Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a secondary router. First, decide what you want your secondary router to do, like extending your Wi-Fi or creating a separate network. Then, physically connect your main router to the secondary router's WAN or Internet port. Next, you'll need to access the secondary router's administration page, usually by typing its default IP address into a web browser. This initial step ensures your devices can communicate properly. Now let's choose the right configuration mode. If you want to simply extend your current Wi-Fi, select Access Point mode. This makes your secondary router part of your existing network. If you prefer a completely separate network, perhaps for guests or specific devices, choose Router mode. Bridge mode offers a straightforward connection without complex routing, ideal for specific setups. Next, we'll adjust some crucial network settings. It's important to change your secondary router's IP address to prevent conflicts with your main router. If you're in access point or bridge mode, disable DHCP on the secondary router so your main router handles all IP assignments. However, if you're creating a new, independent network in router mode, ensure DHCP is enabled on your secondary device. Finally, let's secure your new network. Create a unique Wi-Fi network name, also known as an SSID, so you can easily identify it. Always set a strong, complex password using WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for the best security. After saving your changes, take a moment to test your new network connection on various devices to confirm everything is working smoothly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.